Hello, this is Camden. I'm here today showing you how to optimize your profile and gallery. So the first thing is you want to hit the pencil in the right hand corner. Make sure your first and last name are correct, and your description is the most important part on this page to optimize your profile. So you want to write a detailed description to show the customer who you are and a little about yourself to maybe make a better connection. So once you have that all written in there, go down and you hit save. The next part of optimizing your profile is the gallery. So you hit the gallery button under select days of availability. And you see here I already have a bunch of pictures already of my laundry room, laundry at someone's house for pickup, my detergents, fabric softeners, some clothes I folded, and also if I'm offering air drying, I want to showcase my air drying, and this is just to give the customer more confidence in you and show that you have a clean house and you know what you're doing. So we highly recommend that you optimize your profile to the fullest, and that will ensure you make the most cash money.